Hi, you guys. This is Kiki, owner of Egyptian E Collection, and we're back with another video. Y'all, today is a 2-in-1. So we got inventory and we got a DIY project. Let's get into the inventory. All right. Let's see what came in. Let's see what came in. Oh, y'all, it's my iPad case. Okay. Well, it's my iPad case, y'all. Ain't much to show, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Well, let's put it on in there. I was about to cry if it didn't fit. And it fits. My baby in the case. And let's put, since I said I never use these stickers, so it can be out of the box now. Let's give it the apple sticker. Okay, just gonna give it one. Should I put it on the back? I feel like I want to decorate my case more. If y'all want to see that, let me know. Let me know if y'all want to see me decorate the case and make it my unique own. So now I ain't gotta hold it in the box now. It's now in its own case. I'm loving it. I could put the pencil right there. So stay tuned for the pencil to be there. And yeah, y'all. Okay. Now, let's get into the important part. I'm going to lift y'all up. Hold on. It's just for the heat press. Just so the heat press can I heat it like that? Okay. I'm going to cover it because I got other projects on here. It would be nice if I had it turned on to like timer wise. We don't heat press it, y'all. Oh, y'all can't see. Oh, my bad. Y'all could not see that. Okay, y'all. So I gotta do this fast because I'm running behind on streaming, y'all. But that's okay because I gotta get my content in. So I know it didn't and get everything. So get everything. So I'm thinking, where did I put? Oh, okay. I'm about to say, yeah, I'm losing my marbles. I know I definitely had. It says gaming girl. It says gaming girl. It says gaming girl. And let's see. It was blue. Now it's pink. It was blue. Now it's pink. Just going. Okay. It's more to it. It's more to it. So, you guys, I'm going to come back when we add the other. All right, and we're back, y'all. I'm sorry, I thought I turned the camera on. I see that? Okay, y'all see it. Hold on. Y'all see that? We got the controllers. Y'all see that? We got them controllers for the gaming girl. We got them controllers. Alright, you guys, if y'all want to see more videos, more DIY projects, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.